Serious YouTube content creators spend a lot of time writing, filming, and editing videos. Not to mention the added hours of topic research, keyword optimization, and thumbnail creation. Given these factors, it is understandable that uploading videos that generate low to no views and subscribers can be both frustrating and debilitating in some cases. In this episode of YouTube Money, let's look at key mistakes new YouTubers make that prevent growth on the platform and discuss 5 effective ways to grow your channel and increase your revenue. One of the major mistakes new YouTubers make right out the gate is not planning out their content. This is an easy mistake to make, especially for creators who highly value creative freedom and don't want their content to feel too scripted. The idea being that the lack of planning will make the content feel more authentic and relatable. On the contrary, planning out your content enables you to move quickly through processes and routine workflows that promote quality and consistency. Further, a good solid plan will allow you to quickly identify the things that may or may not be working within your videos and channel. Another common mistake new YouTubers make is focusing too heavily on personal content topics before they have connected with a large enough engaged audience on the platform. In other words, as a new YouTuber, it's extremely difficult to gain traction with your channel when no one is searching for it or you. One of the most common but costly mistakes new YouTubers make is not fully understanding the revenue potential of the niche they choose. If your goal is to generate revenue with your channel, choosing your niche or content area topic is undoubtedly one of the most important steps to get right. If you have made these and other mistakes with your channel, all is not lost. The great thing about being a YouTube content creator is that every new piece of uploaded content presents a new opportunity to chart a course for channel success. In that, here are 5 effective ways to grow your channel and increase your revenue. The first of these ways centers around content type. A good rule of thumb starting out is to create as much evergreen content for your channel as possible. This has 2 very important functions. 1, it extends the shelf life of your content as it holds its relevance for as long as viewers search the platform for the evergreen topics you create content within. 2, over time, as your evergreen content gains momentum on the platform, it becomes a true source of passive income. Evergreen content can be classified as content that holds its relevance beyond fads and/or trends. A good example of these are videos that provide specialized instruction or solve common problems. The second way to effectively grow your channel and increase your revenue is to pay attention to and understand your analytics. Although YouTube provides a wealth of knowledge about channel performance as it pertains to audience engagement and retention when you start your new channel, it's only when you become monetized that you get to see what your actual CPM is for the videos you upload. This is important because understanding your CPM or revenue potential per video helps you decide what topics perform best from a revenue standpoint. Knowing this before you monetize your channel is a game changer, solely because it gives you the foresight to create an abundance of high-performing content topics on your channel, thus increasing the likelihood of the YouTube algorithm choosing your videos to push for growth. If you're not currently monetized, a good way to predict what video topics may perform well in your niche is by researching videos that have recently performed well for other newly monetized content creators in your niche. This can be highly subjective based on your perception of success. However, it is a great way to do a comparative analysis of what is or isn't working on the platform. The third way to effectively grow your channel and increase your revenue is by properly creating and using playlists. Playlists are a great way to group relative content with the purpose of increasing viewer session time on your channel. It is common knowledge that increasing viewer session time on your channel triggers the YouTube algorithm to serve and suggest your videos to more viewers on the platform. A great example way to use playlists is by creating education-based series that address a specific topic across multiple videos. This allows the viewer to get the information desired in one synced stream and promotes more binge-watching sessions on your channel. The fourth way to effectively grow your channel and increase your revenue is to poll your engaged audience. Regardless of size, the audience you attract that is truly engaged with your content is at the core of your success on the platform. These are typically the viewers that loyally and consistently watch your videos in their entirety and leave meaningful relative comments. These viewers will ideally be able to provide great feedback and constructive criticism about your videos and channel as they would have experienced them over a measurable period. Identify this specific audience on your channel and actively ask them for feedback. Doing this will help you fine-tune your audience engagement and thus increase your growth and revenue. The fifth and final way to effectively grow your channel and increase your revenue is to focus on quality over quantity. Yes, quantity is also important for a new channel as it positions you as an expert in your niche over time. But it is the quality of the content you produce that keeps viewers engaged and coming back to support your channel. And I don't mean polish and professional technique when I say quality, for people do often confuse the two. Quality in this sense means that you are clearly and effectively providing value in a way that is exclusive to you and your brand. Further, it is the attention you pay to the details that matter in delivering your core message. Keep quality at the forefront of your decision-making on your channel, and growth will surely follow. If you found value in this video, please like, comment, and share it. Subscribe and hit the bell if you haven't already done so. Thank you for watching, and to all content creators, Godspeed. YouTube Money is a knowledge-based video series by FREESPUR geared towards helping content creators thrive on the YouTube platform.